Day 2. So today we're going to be thinking about our knowledge of place value by practicing some partitioning, which remember is when you split up a number, a whole number, into smaller parts. But crucially, the whole and the parts have the same total. They have the same total sum. So 456, I can split up using my knowledge of place values. I've got my hundreds column, my tens column, and my ones column. I can split that up into 450 and 6, and if I add those three numbers together, I get 456. So you're going to have a go now with this number. So pause the video, and then come back once you're done. Okay, here we go. So you've got 657. If you think about your hundreds column, tens and ones, 657. What about this one? Slightly different example. Well, again, here I've just got here I've just got my tens and my ones. So this is 30 and 5. 30 add 5 is 35. You're going to have a go at this one. Think very carefully about what's going on here. So pause the video, off you go. Great, let's have a look. Well, we've got our hundreds, tens and ones. So we've got 900, but we've got no tens, so we don't need to write anything there. We can just do 3. 900 add 3 is 903. Now, one final example, because you don't have to, when you partition, you don't have to do it exactly as the place value columns say. As long as the numbers that you partitioned into add up to make the number you started with, then you can split up numbers in any way you like. And that's a really useful skill for mathematicians in lots of different ways. So if we look at this question here, well, 435 has been split up, partitioned into 300 and something and 32 and something. So at the moment I've got 300, but I need to get up to 400. So I need another 100, don't I? So 300 add 100 is 400. I've got my 30, here's my 30, but I need 5. At the moment I've got 35 and I've only got 32. So I need to add another 3, takes me up to 35. So I've got 300 add 100, add 32 add 3 is 435. So you have a go with this one. Again, think really carefully. What do I need to do to get from what I've got here already up to 436? Pause the video and then we'll go through it together in a moment. Okay, slightly trickier one this. So we can see I want to get to 400. I've got 200 already, so if I add another 200, that will take me up to 400. I need to get 30 now. At the moment, I've only got 10. So I'm going to need another 20, and then I've already got my 6 ones there, so that's fine. If we just add these together, we just double check, we should be able to see that we end up with 6, 3, 4. Yep. If we add all these together, we get 436. So if you go now, have a go at the independent task, see if you can really apply this a bit more independently now.